How to using a washing machine. 1. Determine whether you can machine wash the item. If the item says dry clean, as opposed to dry clean only, and is made of cotton, polyester, nylon, spandex, or cotton, you can machine wash it. Although hand washing is generally advised for wool, silk, and linen, you could also use the hand wash cycle on your washing machine. If you have a garment made from multiple fabrics, you should treat it as though it were made completely of the more delicate fabric. Sophisticated garments made from multiple fabrics and involving intricate designs are generally best left to the dry cleaner. Embellished tops with sequins are hard to successfully wash at home. Rayon and viscose should always be dry cleaned. 2. Put your clothes in a delicates bag. Turn your clothes inside out. Then, place them in a mesh bag designed for washing delicates. 3. Choose cold water. You should always choose the cold water setting when machine washing items that you normally take to the dry cleaner. Warmer temperatures may result in problems like shrunken or misshapen clothes. 4. Pick the shortest possible cycle. Delicate fabrics like silk, for instance, do not benefit from prolonged exposure to water. As such, it is always best to choose the shortest wash cycle. 5. Turn it to the gentlest cycle. Washing machines have a range of options for the speed and force that they use to wash your clothes. Pick delicate or slow cycles. Avoid regular and permanent press cycles, which are not sufficiently gentle. 6. Pay attention to your load mix. You want to wash silk with silk and wool with wool, rather than mixing everything together. Put all your delicate items in one load, rather than adding towels or other items with your delicates load. Remember to wash light colors with other light colors, rather than mixing darks and whites in the same load. 7. Air dry your clothes. The dryer should be avoided at all costs, since it will likely result in shrunken or misshapen garment. Instead, let your clothing dry on a clothesline or on a clothes horse. If you are drying wool, remember to lay it flat so that it doesn't get misshapen. You should air dry your wool clothes away from hot areas, since they could shrink if exposed to excessive heat. 8. Use a home dry cleaning machine. If you want to avoid the time involved in hand washing your clothes as well as save money on dry cleaning, a home dry cleaning machine may help. Keep in mind that home dry cleaning machines will not work as well as professional dry cleaning. They typically use steam to refresh your clothes between visits to the dry cleaner. You can get home dry cleaning units for between $350 and $1,600. Thanks for watching.